Through the history of world aviation, many names have come to the fore. Great deeds of the past in our memory will last, as they're joined by more and more. When man first started his labor in his quest to conquer the sky, he was designer, mechanic, and pilot, and he built a machine that would fly. But somehow the order got twisted, and then, in the public's eye, the only man that could be seen was the man who knew how to fly. The pilot was everyone's hero. He was brave, he was bold, he was grand, as he stood by his battered old biplane with his goggles and helmet in hand. To be sure, these pilots all earned it. To fly, you have to have guts, and they blazed their names in the Hall of Fame on wings with baling wire struts. But for each of these flying heroes, there were thousands of little renown, and these were the men who worked on the planes, but kept their feet on the ground. We all know the name of Lindbergh, and we've read of his flight to fame. But think, if you can, of his maintenance man. Can you remember his name? And think of our wartime heroes, Gabreski, Jabara, and Scott. Can you tell me the names of their crew chiefs? 1,000 to 1 you cannot. Now, pilots are highly trained people, and wings are not easily won. But without the work of the maintenance man, our pilots would march with a gun. So when you see mighty jet aircraft as they mark their way through the air, the grease-stained man with a wrench in his hand is the man that put them there.